What a long trip. Finally, my hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
What is your name, please?
My name is Maya Lee.
Here is your key, room 204.
204, thank you.
My room is upstairs. Room 204. Here I come. 202, 203. Here it is, 204. Let me open the door. Okay, here we go.
Wait a minute. There is a suitcase inside.
Hello? Is anyone here? No one is here.
My key says 204. But whose suitcase is this?
This is strange. I will ask the front desk.
Excuse me, this is my room, 204. But there is a suitcase inside.
Can you check my reservation?
Of course. I am very sorry. Let me check.
Oh, I am so sorry. Your room is not 204. Your room is 240.
Here is the right key, room 240.
Thank you. It is okay.
Oh, I see. 240, not 204.
Oh, that is my suitcase. Room 204 is mine.
Mystery solved. Have a nice day.
Now, room 240. This time, it is right. Wow, this is my room. And the view is beautiful.
What a day. Now I can relax. Good night.